In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer money from your Bank of America account to a Chase Bank account. Let's get started. First, you'll need your Chase account number and routing number. Make sure you have those ready. Now log into your Bank of America online banking. From the main dashboard, head over to Pay and Transfer section. Here, tap on External Accounts, then select Add External Bank Account. Choose Bank as the option and enter your Chase account number and routing number. Bank of America will then send 2 small micro deposits to your Chase account. You'll need to verify those amounts later to confirm that the account is linked properly. Once verification is complete, you are ready to transfer. Go back to Pay and Transfer section and this time select External Transfer. Choose Bank of America as the source account and Chase Bank as the destination. Enter the amount you would like to send and send standard delivery. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days and it's free. And that's it. Your money will be transferred from Bank of America to Chase with no extra fees. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.